Hello friends, welcome you all to Polity Simplified series of Dnyanadeep Academy. Today's focus article is article number 47, very important article. Article 47 is basis for all the health related government scheme which are being promoted by government from to time trade. So its main concern is improving public health, nutrition and standard of living of the people. What is title of article 47? It shall be duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and standard of living and to improve public health. So basically, whenever article 47 is our center of study, three important things are very crucial. First important thing is improving level of nutrition, second improving standard of living, and third working on the public health. So these three are the most important basic things which must be a focus of policymaker for common man. What is given in article? Let's try to understand a very interesting article. This is, see what it says. It says the state shall regard, that is state should give respect. State shall regard the raising of the level of nutrition and the standard of living of its people. So two things, raising level of nutrition, improving standard of living of its people, and the improvement of public health as among its primary duties. Now see, if at all you are getting a question, what are the primary duties of a state? Then what we do, we write many things, but we do not focus on constitution. As per the constitution, first thing, raising level of nutrition, improving standard of living and working on the public health are among the few primary duties of the state. So if you are writing answer in UPSC mains or if you are writing answer in your state public service commission's answer sheet, if a question on state's primary duties comes, these three are the first primary duties of the state. And in particularly, state shall endeavor, that is state should make an attempt to bring about prohibition, that is state should try to stop prohibition of the consumption except for medicinal purpose, that is the consumption of few things is not prohibited for medicinal purpose, but other than medicinal purpose, the consumption of certain intoxicating drinks like alcohol and drugs which are injurious to health is being prohibited as per article 47. So these three are the primary duties of the state. Also states will make an endeavor to prohibit the consumption of intoxicating drink except for medicinal purpose and consumption of drug which can be used for medicinal purpose. See, if you are looking at these articles, you will realize that every article is giving us a very important insight into the various government schemes that we learn. I am making an attempt to keep these articles smaller so that you are able to revise these articles in smallest possible time on the YouTube. Keep sharing the videos if you like these videos, and please subscribe to our channel. We will be coming with more important videos. Thank you.